so this is going to feel, somewhat similar, but obviously different because the previous one, we did the surface area. Now we're doing the volume. So let's write down the formula for the volume of our cylinder, which you can see here is pi r squared h. So I'm going to write down the formula for the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r squared h. So Michael, kind of like you had with the surface area, when you start this link, it's going to give you the radius, it's going to give you the height, and you're just going to plug it into this formula. All right, and remember, for this link, just like the last one, you're using that approximation for pi. Okay, but I wanted to practice ones that I think are tougher when you get into the 60s, 70s, 80s, and it's giving me the volume. All right, so it wants me to solve for the height. So I'm going to replace volume with 1,609.21232, and that's cubic meters, equals that 3.14. What is my radius? 9.4, very good. All right, and that's squared, and then times the height, which I don't know. Okay, so to get the height by itself, I'm going to move all of this to the other side with division. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides. Was there no pass? Hector, the pass?
Yeah, I know. I will do it.
Thank you.
After this one? Sorry.
It's fine. Yeah, I know. Which one?
On the top left.
On the M? That one is cube. Because the volume is going to be, you mentioned earlier, Miriam, you're multiplying three things together. So it'd be like meters times meters times meters, which is cubic meters. So use your calculator. I'll use mine. Let's see if we get the same thing for the height. Now this one we might have to do some rounding at the end. It's always a good idea to try to see if you get the same thing as me. Donovan, what'd you get? That's what I got, Donovan. Well done. Anyone else get the same thing Donovan and I got? We both got 5.8. Donovan, we may be the only people that tried. Wait, Gabe tried. It didn't work out?
No.
Thank you. You put a division symbol over here instead of a 1.
Oh, okay.
You got it. No worries.
I got 5.8.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what Donovan and I got. Donovan got it first. Good job, Donovan. So the answer is 5.8 meters for the height. So that's what you're going to use for the volume for a cylinder. All right. Number two gives you a triangular prism and is asking for this value for T. So it's very similar to the formula that Miriam said for the volume of a rectangular prism, which is your length times width times height. But this one, because of that triangle face, see how there's two triangular faces, you're going to throw a 1/2 in front of that formula. So you're still going to multiply the three numbers together, the length times the width times the height, or in this case, the base times the width times the height. But make sure to put a 1/2 in front. So I'll put that here. So 1/2 times the base times the height times the length. All right, so they're giving us the volume, which is 230.394 cubic millimeters. I'm putting the 1/2. What is the base of my triangle face? Nice, 8.6. Thank you so much. Oh, you just had it. Hector's going to be sad. Times, what's the height of the triangular face? 9.4. And we're solving for that length, which is t. So just like on the last one, I'm going to divide both sides by all this. If you didn't try doing the last one in your calculator, try this one. Use the fraction button if you need help. And let's see if we can get the same thing. Okay, here we go. You got it, Amanda? What'd you get? Wait till I won't tell you that.
5.7.
What'd you get, remember?
5.7.
No? Yes. Yes. Let's go.
Word.
Oh, you put a Q over here. That's just the units. Just leave that Q off, and then you'd be good. Did you get a 5.7?
No, yours was way out. I was close
Okay.
to him.
Just don't put the Q there. That's for the units. So take off that Q. You should be good. You got a glass?
No, I don't know.
So hit the enter.
Great.
Okay, type in the 230.
Oh my. Hey, hey.
You too.
Are you serious right now?
He found it. Yep, that's good. What up? Nice job, Gladys. 5.7 millimeters, excuse me, is the answer.